The 2025 CX-90 3.3 Turbo Preferred all-wheel drive combines elegance and strength in its exterior design. Brought to you by Berge Mazda, with a long, sculpted body, signature LED lighting, and 19-inch alloy wheels, it strikes a perfect balance between premium presence and practical SUV utility. Subtle chrome accents and a wide stance give it a bold, confident look. This CX-90 trim is powered by a 3.3-liter inline-six turbocharged engine, producing 280 horsepower and 332 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission and standard i-Activ all-wheel drive, it delivers responsive acceleration, excellent road grip, and refined handling. A mild hybrid system enhances both efficiency and smoothness. With spacious second-row seating and available third-row access, the CX-90 Preferred offers generous room for families. The second-row bench provides plenty of legroom and comfort for adults, while the third row suits occasional passengers or kids, with flexible folding options for added cargo space. The interior is upscale and thoughtfully laid out, featuring leather-trimmed seats, soft-touch materials, and Mazda's signature minimalist elegance. The Preferred trim includes power-adjustable front seats and tri-zone climate control, creating a comfortable environment for all passengers. The CX-90 Turbo Preferred is equipped with i-Activ Sense, Mazda's suite of safety technologies. Features include blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, smart brake support, lane keeping assist, and Mazda radar cruise control with stop and go, all designed to enhance safety and driver confidence. A 10.25-inch center display anchors the dashboard, supported by Mazda's intuitive infotainment interface. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with voice control and multiple USB-C ports. The digital gauge display keeps the driver informed with clarity and style. From the power rear liftgate to keyless entry and push-button start, the CX-90 Turbo Preferred adds everyday convenience throughout. Tri-zone climate control, rear air vents, and a power driver's seat with memory function ensure comfort and ease for both driver and passengers. The 2025 Mazda CX-93.3 Turbo Preferred All-Wheel Drive is a refined three-row SUV with strong performance, elegant design, and well-rounded comfort. It's a standout choice for families or drivers seeking a luxurious, capable, and tech-savvy vehicle with room to grow. You can view our selection at bergemazda.com. Give us a call at 480-498-5614 or visit our showroom today.